Alright guys, this is the Vankyo Cinemango 100 projector for home entertainment. And let me see it here. Okay, so we have instruction guide here, user manual, quick start guide as well. There's a QR code, you can follow their page, and they are showing you all the connection type or the instruction. It's not recommended, and what it's recommended or not recommended, all this stuff right here. So we have, this is an HDMI, this is an HDMI cable right here. I'm gonna open that up. So this is an HDMI cable, the regular HDMI cable, one of that, and the power cable. And it does include VGA cable as well. I'm not going to open this because I might not use this one. So it's VGA cable. Includes the remote. That's pretty cool. Pretty simple. Nice remote control, right? Right. This is the RCA cable with the audio jack. I think so. Yeah, audio jack. Or you can maybe use the aux port, aux cable. Alright, so this is the projector here. Oh, nice. Okay, let me show you what it includes in here. Okay, one bag, one remote control, power cable, okay, VGA cable, HDMI cable, okay, and the RCA cable, and the user guide. Let me put that over here. So this is what includes in the package or in the bag that comes with the projector. It's a really mini projector. It looks pretty good. It's not too light, not too heavy, but it's okay. The weight is okay, right? So let me show you a basic thing over here. So front part looks like this. There's a cover on it. You can just take it out like that. Okay, you can just take it out like that. And there is the focusing level over here, and there's a definitely power button and the navigation control over here, menu, input, and the probably back button. So we're gonna figure out that later. One VGA port, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, the audio video. I think that might be an audio video jack for this one. That's why I think so. But it does not include a headphone jack. Maybe, yeah. You can also use this RCA cable for your audio as well. But you need a different type of cable for this, right? But we can use the aux port here, aux cable. So 2 USB port. Maybe you can run movie or pictures from a flash drive, and there's also SD card. Probably this is the light. It will indicate you whether the projector is running or not. And this is the power plug, right? My one hand like this, right? Okay, it's a mini projector. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, now I'm gonna turn on, and we'll see how effective it is, how big a screen we can make it. According to the description in Amazon, it says you can go up to 220 inches. Definitely it's not going to be so much clear because it's only 1080p resolution. So 220 inches too big for 1080p. That's what I think, but we're not sure yet. We're gonna check that out in a moment. Okay guys, so I'm gonna test over here the projector. Let me connect this projector here. And once I connect it, you can see the green button over here, and it turned red. So let's turn it on. So it turned green. Let me open the cap over here. Alright, so you can see on the screen. I don't know if you can hear the sound. It started to make some noise. Let's see. Okay, this knob over here, it tilts the screen. So definitely, if you're keeping your projector on the bottom, you can do like that. Let's focus this properly. Alright, looks better, right? Cool. Alright, let me select the language. Okay, let's do English here. I'm going to change the input over here. The input is over here. Let's see over there. Alright, this is HDMI 1, HDMI 2, USB 1. I just inserted on USB 1. So let's click OK. And 1, 2, 3. Alright, so it says movie, photo. So I do have photo in there. So let me click photo in there. Let me go to C drive. Oh, it does say C drive. Right. Okay, there is a photo in there. It's a photo. Right. Let's go back to the menu. The color temperature standard, aspect ratio, noise reduction, middle, HDMI. So I didn't reduce image size to 100%. Okay, that's okay. So this one is a sound mode, the standard balance, auto volume on, and timer, and the language factory reset, software update. Probably they require USB for that. Okay. Alright, it's pretty lit. Let me turn off more lights I have over here. You can see it's pretty bright. I have turned off all of my lights, and it's pretty bright. I know there's a lot of noise. Now I can connect my HDMI port to my phone, to my Android box, whatever I wanna use it for. I can definitely use that for. Alright, I think it's pretty good. The brightness is pretty good. We can watch in this. Alright, I'm gonna try that with my Samsung DeX, and let's see how the sound quality. I don't know how the sound quality. It depends on my speaker though, but the picture quality, we're gonna see that in a moment. Alright, so I'm just testing out with my phone. I'm trying to use the Samsung DeX on the projector, so I inserted the HDMI on the HDMI 2 port. Let's change the input and let's see. Oh, that was the picture mode. Let me go back to the menu. 2. Alright, let's see if the DeX will go. Alright, so the DeX did work with the projector. That's really cool. Basically I can run YouTube as well over here. Yeah, basically I'm running Samsung DeX in here, so I can play music, I can play movies, I can play anything I can see over here, right? So I think that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and this is a really cool mini projector that you can carry anywhere you want, and you can use your Samsung phone if you have that, and use the DeX Samsung and utilize that features in the projector in the biggest screen, right? Alright, thank you so much for watching, and you have a good day. If you like my video, make sure to like, comment, and share my video. And if you're new to my channel, just join my community by hitting that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get every video of this. Alright, goodbye.